Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required, and then let's enter the settings. Here all we have to do is to tap on About Tablet, which is at the top of the list, and tap on this Xiaomi Hyper OS. Let's tap. As you can see, your device is checking for the updates, and you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where there's nothing to download. You can again tap on check for the updates if you're not sure. Here we've got the information, which means that you're up to date and you do not have to update your system. You can also meet a second scenario where your device will show you the information about the new update, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and get new update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.